A haemostat is a medical tool commonly used as a surgical clamp in the operating room. You might also have seen it used to pick up swabs to clean wounds by a doctor or a nurse. I'm sure healthcare professionals use these in many other ways. I have several different pairs of these in my sewing room. They are fantastic when you need an extra hand to hold something together while sewing and you don't want to or can't use a pin. There are grooves near the handles which keep the nose tightly shut, thereby clamping or holding the pieces of cloth together. The pointed tip of the nose also make these a great tool for turning the corners of collars and belt ties or similar. This is how I do it. Before turning, snip the corners of the fabric away. I like to make a V notch after that to really reduce the bulk and to ensure a sharp point. Then clamp down on the corner, making sure the tip of the haemostat is right at the point of the stitch lines. Hold the clamp under your thumb and use the other hand to flip the bottom layer of cloth over the haemostat. Keep the haemostat closed and push the tip into the corner gently. Remove the clamp. Here it is demonstrated on the other corner of the collar. Press the collar and the sharp points stay in place. Haemostats come in a variety of sizes, and some with straight noses and some with a bent nose like the one in the video. I provided a link in the description to where you can buy one for yourself. Thank you for watching. Bye.